guys, this is going to be a juicer cleanup video. I get a lot of comments saying that juicing seems to be a little bit of a hassle because of the cleanup. I'm just going to give you a few pointers if you have a juicer and if you feel like it is a little bit of a hassle to juice because of the cleanup. This is, to me, the most efficient way to clean it up. There are a couple options. I wash mine by hand. Some juicers are able to be put in the dishwasher. My specific juicer can be put in the dishwasher, so that's always an option for you if you use your dishwasher often. For me, it's just me and my husband and our little baby, so we don't really use our dishwasher that much. I clean this by hand. So I'm gonna show you how I clean it just to make it really efficient. We usually juice once, sometimes twice a day, and we juice it or we clean it right afterwards. If you are interested in how to clean a juicer efficiently and quickly, here is the video for you. After I juice, I like to make sure that I drink the juice because that way it doesn't oxidize. But as soon as I'm done drinking the juice, and sometimes as I'm drinking the juice, I like to get all of the gunk out of the juicer. Today I have carrot juice. I like to drink it, but then right after I drink my carrot juice, I like to make sure that I start cleaning the juicer. If it sits with any of the pulp in it, it can be such a pain to clean. Even if it's just like half an hour or an hour, you want to make sure that you clean the juicer right away. And that is the #1 time saver, is just to clean it right away rather than having it sit out for a little bit. Sometimes after I drink carrot juice, I get like an orange tint around my lips, so that might be there the rest of the video. All the different pieces of the juicer, you can see it could be pretty messy and even intimidating if you are juicing for the first time and you're left with all of this leftovers after just getting a few glasses of juice. But I'm gonna do it within it takes me about 3 minutes to wash all of this. It's gonna take a little bit longer in this video just because I'm talking you through it, but if you get the hang of it, you can juice and then take 3 minutes, clean it up, and you're done. I put a plastic bag in the pulp compartment. That makes for also really easy cleanup. You have all this pulp. I just get right in there and remove all the pulp. You can use the pulp for composting. You can put it in a garden. You can put it, you can make different recipes with it. You can put it in a soup or make muffins or something like that. If you want to use the pulp of the carrots and whatever else you're juicing, there's a lot of different things that you can do with it. And you might not have bags, so you can just clean this out like I will do for all of the other pieces, which are dishwasher safe. I just don't use the dishwasher for them. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm also gonna make it a little bit more challenging for myself because I have my little one on me. Okay, to start, I'm just going to throw a little soap into the secondary sink, and then I like to take apart each piece of the juicer and set it in the sink with my disposal. Write down all the pulp. You can see where it would be really difficult if you let it sit for a while, but if you just kind of rinse it off first, it comes right off. And then for this, usually juicers have a little brush that come with them, but I just like to use my sprayer and I spray it down. Again, when it's right after juicing, it comes out really easily. If you were to let this sit, you'd probably have to use the brush to get it clean, but you can see where that has already gotten all the pulp off of it. And I put it in here. I really like my Breville too because all of the pieces are clear. Oftentimes when you get a juicer, the pieces aren't so clear. So you can see how clean it actually gets. And I'm just gonna let the water keep going over here. And then I take my cutting board. While the sink is filling up with water, I usually take a rag and wipe down the juicer. Sometimes a little bit of juice gets around the edges or on the handle, and I will just wipe that down real quick. When I do dishes, I like to just throw down a towel to put the clean dishes on. And all of my parts are in here. All the pulp is completely off of these, so it's gonna be a really easy wash for all of these different pieces. I know this is probably the most boring part of the video, but you can see my baby is really tired, and this usually puts her to sleep, so that's kind of a nice way to get her to sleep. Now I'm talking, so this can be a little bit tricky, especially if it's not clear, because you can get little pieces of pulp stuck in some of the nooks and crannies. And we're almost done with all of these pieces. The real trick is just to clean it up right after you juice. And then for this wire basket, I just kind of aggravate it a little bit to get out any extra pulp that I might have missed from the sprayer. And then all I have to do is rinse this off and put it on my towel to dry. And then the final step is just to rinse down the cutting board. And that's how I clean my juicer to be quick and easy. It usually takes me like 3 or 4 minutes just to whip that out really fast. And it takes about 3 or 4 minutes to juice. And so a total process of maybe about 10 minutes to juice and to wash the juicer, which can be a little bit of a hassle, but it's definitely worth it. I love my juice. I love my carrot juice. It's been just so amazing for me personally, for my physical health, and just all of the nutrients in it. About once a month we put it in the sink with a little bit of bleach water and let it soak, just because the carrots and the other veggies can discolor it a little bit. So we like to soak those in a little bit of bleach water for maybe about half an hour and then just wash them as normal. And that really helps with the discoloration and some of the staining on the plastic and on the cutting board. So I hope this video helped you guys who might be thinking about juicing or who are struggling with juicing because of the cleanup process. This is super efficient, especially as you juice more, it becomes more efficient. And if you aren't so into the washing the juicer by hand, you can throw this specific juicer into the dishwasher, which is nice. Some styles you can't throw into the dishwasher. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you juice, and I hope this helped you a lot with juicing more and inspiring you to juice. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, friends.